I've drawn the profile, the side profile of the front leg on the outside of the left front leg. You should put left, and looks like I need to put right on the other side over here, because what we have at the bottom of the leg is a little flare toward the front. Now, if you choose, you can make the front leg just like the front leg on a Maloof-inspired rocker. You can turn the leg down into a cylinder so that it's 1 1/4 inches at the bottom. But if you decide to have the sweeping profile, then you just need to use the bandsaw and some shaping tools like we're going to do to shape that leg. But I've recorded the outline of the leg of the left leg on the front of the left leg here, and got the inside of the joint ready to go. And now what we're going to do is turn our attention toward making a hole in the top of the leg to receive the arm. We're going to put a 1/2 inch dowel in there. You'll have a 1/4 inch line here, which is something you'll need to make because we're going to cut away some of that material just a little later. And in the back, a 1/4 inch line. And then right down the middle here, this is 2 inches wide. So at 1 inch in depth, and on that center line that you need to make all the way around your leg here, I've made a circle with a compass that's 1 1/4 inches in diameter. And now I'm ready to take my dowellet and to clamp it up and drill a 1/2 inch hole. Great thing about a dowellet is it's self-centering. Got a good 1/2 inch brad point bit, and I'm going to drill it 1 1/4 inches deep. Now let's bandsaw those profiles, coming out a little short of the seat to leg joint area. Okay, we're going to mark out the front profile of the right leg. And this is it tapers outward like so. We're going to go to the bandsaw and cut that off. Okay, now we've got to remove a 1/4 inch of material from the inside top of the front leg. Now what we're doing is, remember I told you to make a little mark across here, across the inside of the leg, a 1/4 inch deep. Just follow that all the way around with your pencil, using your finger as a fence if you would like. And then go to the bandsaw, and as you cut anywhere around the joint area, be sure to rise up and use this as a bearing surface, the area right around your joint. That way you can kind of swing it, and when you make your cut, you need to pull out of the cut so that you're not getting into this area between the red lines. Very important.